Guess the sound. Slurping. Please avoid slurping your tea so loudly. It's so distracting. Burping. Burping in public without saying excuse me is rude. Panting. The athlete was panting after the intense race. Snoring. I couldn't sleep because you were snoring so loudly. Yawning. Stop yawning in the middle of the meeting. It's contagious. Humming. You've been humming that tune all day. It's stuck in my head now. Sighing. She kept sighing all afternoon, clearly overwhelmed by the workload. Choking. He started choking on a piece of food, and everyone rushed to help him.